Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
All right, artists, we are going to practice drawing an igloo before we get to our final piece on Friday. Now, one thing I want to warn you about is something that looks kind of like this. Okay, it kind of looks like an igloo. We'll add our bricks, so that looks more like an igloo. Put the hole at the top. That's where the smoke comes out because they often have fires inside. We'll put some bricks here. So it looks kind of like an igloo, but it's not three-dimensional at all. Right? It's very flat. So what we want to do instead is draw something that looks more three-dimensional. Notice how I have my blotter paper here because I'm using a Sharpie. You're going to practice with a pencil so you can erase. So we're going to start by drawing the door. We're going to make that nice archway, and you're going to draw 2 feet, and then you're going to draw another arch inside of it so that it's just about the same thickness all the way around. Okay, now we're going to pick this farthest corner, and we're going to draw an angled line backwards. Now, we have this line here. We want to draw that same angle line down here so that it's a parallel line. You can use a ruler, you could do like I'm doing, just use a pencil. Now we're going to do the same thing with this curve. We want this curve here to be parallel to this curve here. Okay, so now it looks like a nice tunnel. Still looks a little bit weird because we don't see this sidewall here. So if we draw, again, this same line, tape that same angle from this corner and draw straight back, we start to see that now it looks more like a tunnel to get in. Now in order to draw the building portion of our igloo, we're going to start right here where that arch meets our angled line. And we're going to come out and we're going to have a bit of a curve. We want this to look round. And we're going to sort of pretend that it comes all the way around here. We're going to put that line here too. Now we're going to put that dome on the top. Now for our bricks, we're going to start at the top, and we want them all to be parallel to this curve. You can start at the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. Maybe I'll start at the bottom if that's easier, because we can see that line a little easier. Follow that same parallel curve. Notice how this building is looking much more round than our flat one. Oop, that one's not quite parallel. We'll do our best. And then we would put that hole at the top. Now the hole at the top is to let the smoke out because they often have fires inside of here. Now for the sidewalls, we're going to follow this angle and we're going to put in our brick lines. And one down. Now we can kind of come over here and add some bricks around. We want to match up these side bricks, side lines, to our front bricks. And we can add in our staggered lines now. We're going to have these going kind of on a curve, and the curve gets more severe as we get to the top. All right. Now for here, these will also have a curve, and it'll be similar to this one on the side. And the closer you get to the center, the more straight they will get. So just imagine that you're sort of pulling a straight line down from the top. You know, so I might have one here and here. I might have a line here and here. If I were to draw a straight line down, it might come here. And here. Oop, I want to add a brick up here too. And maybe one here. And that would go here. And we're just going to stagger those brick lines. Okay, so you can really see the difference here between this igloo, which is flat, almost like a baseball hat sideways, and this igloo, which looks like something that we can climb into. So I want you to practice drawing an igloo, and on Wednesday I will get to the rest of our assignment for our Inuit landscapes. I can't wait to see how your paintings turned out. All right, have a good day.